got a stream for you today. I made a test. Yeah, so that's what we have. I'm gonna wait, like we'll do the test in like 20 minutes. We'll wait for people to get in here. What else was I gonna say? I'm gonna try to be quieter during the stream. You know, sometimes I'm loud. Good morning, Honor. Today's stream will be drinking some lovely green tea. This is green tea from Japan. You can tell it's from Japan because it says Japan right here. I mean, I guess I could write Japan on anything I want, so I guess that doesn't really mean it's from Japan. We're gonna try 1 day followers. We'll see if it gets out of control. You know, this is warm up, this is the morning, everybody can be chill, but when we're focused on something, anybody who, off-topic things, you'll get a timeout, and if you do it again, you'll be banned. You know, it's the internet. You can't give people the benefit of the doubt on the internet. You have terrible things like Sybil attacks and anonymity. Not terrible things, they're kind of nice things. The alternatives are worse. Yeah. Good morning, good morning. We have a test for you guys today, so I hope you all studied. Oh, I didn't change. It's part 3. I know it says part 2. Sorry, I didn't change it. All right, we'll change it. I don't know how to. This will do it. And I can go in here and I can edit. Can I edit? By the way, I would like to say that I've now streamed for 12 days, which makes me actually eligible to be a partner, and we'll see if they are cool with that. If they're cool with that, I'll stream more. Maybe I'll even post a schedule. If I'm not a Twitch partner for some reason, I'm just not the kind of content Twitch wants, and then, you know, we'll have to move somewhere else. Yeah, there's a test. So the test is in 15 minutes. So everybody, you know, better cram. You better study. No, I'm not streaming games. I play games. Except Baba's You. I played Baba's You. That was pretty nice. What benefits do you get from having a blue check on Instagram? It doesn't matter. It's just, you know, it's kind of like getting that star next to. Oh, I gotta keep it chill. It's like getting that star next to your name, you know. Oh my God. Didn't you guys say didn't you read the thing about why Haskell? Well, you know what? You guys can read. It's on my channel. Yeah, it's in my bio. If you are asking why, you are missing the point. Astrograph, thank you. Thank you. You can't take my quiz. We only have 31 people in here. That's a pathetic amount of people. Oh, 209. Oh, I don't know why. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, get that number up. Let's get that number up. That's just, nobody needs to talk about that. You get a timeout. 251. Thank you. I watched Martin Shkreli on The Breakfast Club last night. What a boss, you know? So if you recall where we got to last night, we were up to the point where we were trying to define this function, the square function. And it didn't work. Because we didn't write the stuff needed to define functions yet. If we type like, well, if we copy and paste this, it crashes. At prelude undefined called it here. Oh, because it's trying to access square. It's not trying to define it. I see. So we're just going to have to change the eval function here. Yeah, the problem is, see, that's atom var. So we're going to have to add another one in there, I think. We can read the tutorial and see what it says. Now we can define variables. We might as well extend it to functions. Let's start by defining new Lisp val constructors. Yeah, I guess I really don't have one for functions, so we're going to have to add it in here. Primitive func. Wow. Just a Lisp val type. Huh. And then apply instead of being passed the name of the function. You know, should we use a real editor? Who thinks we should use a real editor? Which will have are you guys pro using a real editor? I'm gonna close workspace. Can I close folder? Oh, that's not what I want to do. Oh my god, it's hard to use, you know. Some of us have work in the morning. Okay. So when I'm like looking here, can this like show me the type for maybe? Is there like a way to do this? I don't even want this here. Make it smaller. No, like I want to be able to see like the type, you know. Should we get Vim keys on in here? Vim keys for VS Code. Let's first do that. There's like a way to like open marketplace. God, I don't know how to do anything. There are hotkeys for this. I just don't know them. Yeah, is it one of these plugins? Extensions. Vim. Oh, Vim emulation mode. Okay, cool. That's nice. Is it real Vim? Let's see. Oh, it's not too bad. Cool. But now what I really want to do is like, can I like see the type here? Haskell shortcut keys. VS Code. I don't like this. LARPers are losers, man. No, actually, you know what? I'll refine that. I'm gonna say that people, you want to go like to like do like LARP in like a place, that's cool. You want to like, you know, go like pretend to be a communist, that's not cool, man. Like either, you know, be a communist or don't, you know, don't like act like you're all serious but you're really not. You know? Don't claim to be what you're not. Oh, you know, my life, my job would be a lot easier if everyone just claimed what they were. Right? This girl's dating profile, it was like a 2-paragraph rant about how much she hates men, and then it was a but I'm actually a really nice person. Well, no, you're not, and thanks for telling me that in the first, you know, 2 paragraphs, right? Why do I read you the chat? You guys are trash, and like there's no hope for it. You just get minimized, you know? You're minimized. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, minimized. I mean, that's the real, you know? I ban you because I care. I minimize you because I'm sick of your stupid trash. I don't know, never mind. I take back VS Code. We're just gonna use this. Okay. Apply, so this is gonna have to be changed to a list val. And then where do I actually call apply? Here, func. Oh, but it's already an atom, right? So I guess I can just change this to be like atom func. And then I can change this to also be atom func. And then I can change this to list val. Does that just work? Let's see if that works. Well, it type checks, so that's, you know, probably means it works. Pass the list val representing the actual function. Oh, is that what they meant by primitive function, though? No, primitive function here is a list of list vals. Wow. I guess they do want that to be a primitive function and not an atom. So we can just go and we'll call the constructor here. Okay, so they're using define. That looks nice, yeah. So that's the one I want. That matches that. This eval, atom define, list, atom var colon params. colon body of the function. Okay, that seems like it matches. Not sure why they have to write it like that. I guess actually that's how it's written up there. So it's like the same as this, but it's that. And we have a make normal func. Just make func nothing. Oh, those are var args, I see. I don't even know what var args are. I guess we'll get to that at some point. Those things create functions, and we're also going to need to add the function type by primitive function. Whoa, the closure's an environment. Yo, that's crazy. No instance for show environment. Can we do deriving show here? Parse error on input deriving. Can you not do that? Parse error on input deriving. Can I make a type derived show? Maybe not. No instance for show environment. Can I define show environment? See how many people we got. All right, we're still on the rise. We're still on the rise. We'll give it a bit more time before we have the test. And then everyone who fails the test is banned. What do we think? Wow, this is what I leave. I leave, and you're oh Vim or Emacs, oh Vim or. I'm disappointed. I'm just disappointed, you know. I don't know how else to express. Show for IO types. Here we go. Oh, here. Let's try that. Does that work? Variable not in. What does show val do? Why is that being used? Okay, it's returning a type function, which takes params as the string. Why can I not just pass params in like that? Look up func primitives. Oh, because that's not, it's a list val like that. Like, no, that doesn't work. I'll go back to that. At least that worked. Couldn't match list val with char. That's what that show thing was. They're all atoms. They should be treated like, why are they not just atoms? I don't get it. What if I just change my param here to be that? Oh, not in scope. Okay, that works. param is Adam X. This is the list. And then we're going to need to write the runner for it, which I don't think I wrote. So yeah, I mean, what happens if you get var and you get a function? So now I want to run like square 21. Ooh, false. I don't even know how that happened. Okay, so we eval it, so that's a list. We eval the atom, we get the variable. Yeah, maybe we need them. Like we need to somehow capture. We're gonna need to write something that actually substitutes the x in for the parameter. We're gonna need to actually write the runner. Here we go, this. That looks complicated. All right, let's get up to 500 people, then we'll do the test. 500 people, and then it's testing. Meme review. The test is on the contents of the stream. I hope you guys watched parts 1 and parts 2, or are familiar with what's being discussed. Because if you're not, why should you chat, you know? You don't want to pay attention, why should you get the privilege of chatting? Would any classroom work like that? If everybody just, you know, you have no clue in your chat. Yeah, and this is the problem with the internet. The test is very easy. If you miss part 2, the test is it's like last test. It's very easy. You can use the internet. It's open book. Like, the Vim versus Emacs people, you guys are cancer, man. You know? I don't know what else to say. Oh, so it's hitting this spool false. I see. Yeah, because it's trying to do the lookup primitives, and that's what's not working. You want to come here, you want to not pay attention, you want to just chat. Like, why are you here? Go somewhere else. Go on, go somewhere else. you know, you say it feels like people are asking stupid questions on purpose to troll you. I really don't think they are. And that's what I'm sad about. I'm never sad about trolls. Trolls are really easy to combat. If that's what it was, then that's, you know, look, we can just ban them and that would fix the problem. The problem goes deeper than that. It's maybe, you know, my audience just isn't who I want it to be. Yeah, never underestimate people's stupidity. I mean, that's the truth. Sub only is a little bit better. But I mean, you know, look, you shouldn't actually have to, okay. I'm not sure it's just a moderation problem. Remember, all right, we're at 439. You want better moderation? Everybody do well on the test. Go, 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 go. That's the test. First question is a Twitch username and are you a current subscriber? I tried to get automatic grading to work. You have 10 minutes. Let's go. Test, 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 test. I don't think they are trolls. I don't think they are. I think this is actually the majority of my audience. There's the test. You think you're meta and funny, you're not. In some way, maybe Twitch isn't the right platform, right? I mean, it would be cool too, like you guys are watching me code. It would be cool if we could all like collaborate on this, you know? Multiple people on the voice chat. I mean, you know, it's my fault. It's my fault for not. What window manager do you use? Timeouts. Do you not get it, or are you trolling? Right? Is that person trolling? If they're trolling, we ban them. The demographics go against what you want. Well, where are the demographics better? I heard that leak code contest today. Who's talking about some contest? Contest every week. Starts in 11 hours. Oh, bi-weekly contest. Okay, let's go. The contest has already started. Oh, well, I'm not allowed to disclose contest solutions. And then people can earn leet coins for reporting me as a violator. Having more mods would go a long way. The mods help to an extent. But again, we'll see. Let's see how people do on the test. You got a 3. You got a 3 out of 16. Congratulations. I set up auto grading. Here's the link to the test. You got a 3. 3. A 3. I didn't actually test the test. I assume you can get a 16. The Haskell questions are worth more. Well, we got our first 0. Oh, we got a 7. Oh, oh. The subscriber question's not worth any points, and the saddest thing about this is these are the same questions you're not doing a test. Well, we got a 13. Oh, that's better. You did it without looking online. Oh, we got a 16. Oh, that's good. You're doing fine until the first question. Yeah, funny guy here, yeah. I like the auto grading. I don't actually know how to get. We're gonna figure out how to get which people did well on the test and get their usernames, and then we can VIP them. And I'm not sure where the threshold's gonna be. We're grading this test on a curve. Obviously, whoever got a 16, congratulations, you're a VIP. Unfortunately, Twitch has no way. There's no like option in chat. Twitch, if you're watching, I'd really like a VIP only chat. Oh, we got a 14. Not bad. Not bad. A 15 filling out the top. See, all of these people just shouldn't be welcome in chat anymore. Like if you got below an 8, if you failed, you know? That's going to be a big theme at my university. If you do what do I think of Islam? You're banned. That's, come on, man. Politics is an instant ban. Anybody who brings up like remotely, oh, what do you think of Trump? Banned. Yeah. I'll post the link again. You know, I know this isn't really your fault. This is just how Twitch chat works. All right, we have a couple of 14s. This is nice. Yeah, I mean, shouldn't be. Oh, 14s are pretty popular. Twitch bot that auto bans. What do you think of questions? Yeah, I mean, it can't. Ooh, we got 2 16s. Congratulations. We got some new VIPs in the channel. In before it's the same VIPs. See, right there. We need the auto ban to also like, what is your advice? You know, that's the same thing as. I know the people asking these questions are in the failing half of the test. Do you think? What is your advice? So you knew all but the Haskell things. Yeah. You know what? I copied the questions from the previous test. Oh. Yeah. How long you got? How many people have answered it so far? We got 40, 42. No, answers are still coming in. We'll give you all till 11:20. A lot of the questions are actually the same questions that were on the previous test, and that's because I'm lazy. The test link is here. Oh, you can give people ranks and the bot can react to the different ranks. All right, I gotta set up my bot. I'll set this up off stream. Yeah, don't worry. I have forever who did well on the tests and who didn't do well on the tests. You test your coworkers, not once they have jobs. Okay. I see 3 clusters of people emerging. No, not really. You ruined the cluster. That 8 that came in ruined the cluster. The 12 is the nice separator. See, we got champions, we got 7 and below, we got failures, and then we got, you know, developing countries. A lot of 7s. I don't know. I'm kind of tired this morning too. Wow, the 7s are really. You guys are shrinking the graph. Is there any way we can see how we did? Not really. We'll go over. Give it 5 more minutes, and then we'll go over the answers. Got me at Haskell. Well, guess what? That's what the streams are about. So, you know, you should have studied. The Haskell questions were really very simple. Just joined and I'm still, there was no category theory questions. 7-point average is really not all right. I mean, it does mean I did a good job designing the test. You always want the average on your test to be a 50, but like, these tests aren't hard. All right, we got 5 perfect scores. Sweet. Yeah, you used a REPL for the Haskell question. That's exactly what you're supposed to do. You're not supposed to do it by hand. I'm scared of my results. What if I get banned? Yeah, I mean, it might happen, man. I don't know. Do well on the tests. Yeah, see, that's kind of the problem. No, but see, I'm also lazy, right? Like, I think, would I want to watch my own Twitch stream? Probably not. So how do I make a Twitch stream that, like the Keep Hacking Elite Twitch stream? You can't know your own grade. No, there's no cheating, man. It's an open internet test. See, the problem is I can't give you your grade right after the fact. Wow, we really have a. It's not even a bell curve. It's just a. I do a VIP only poll on future stream topics. Yeah, it's a trash curve. Okay, 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. 88 responses. Let's go. You got 3 minutes. How do you see how you did? We're gonna go over the answers. Doesn't matter where you ran the Python code. All right, 2 minutes. If you don't have the link by now, oh, do you have a pencil? Does anyone have a pencil? It's not a number 2 pencil. I brought a number 3 pencil. Now the Scantron won't grade me. You can read the numpy. It's easy to change. My crooked teeth curve. I forgot my mouse. Yeah, I know. How much below? All right, cool. 2 minutes. As soon as this says 20, we're done. Your dream chat discourse be like? Just generally, you know, high quality. We got 6 perfect scores. All right, cool. 1 minute. 1 minute. Who is Haskell? He's like some old dude. His name like Curry Haskell. Was it the guy? Curry Haskell? Is that his name? Haskell Curry. That was the guy. That guy. Oh, he's dead now. And time is up, everybody. Please bring your test to the front of the room. It's actually too late to bring your test to the front of the room because I clicked off the thingy. Okay. So, you guys, this was literally on the last test. And so was this one. There was no excuse for getting those wrong. So if you wanted to do the Python thing, it's pretty easy to do. Though, actually, I'm a little concerned that it's actually the wrong answer. So you got to just import OS, import math, import numpy as np, copy and paste, and you get this answer here, which is the majority answer. What is the derivative of this? You know, I changed it a little bit. Good to see that 79% got that correct. Who put 1? Why would it take 1 year? Some superlinear castle scaling? 12, yeah, everybody who can add 9 to 3 should have gotten this question. All right, what is the type of maybe in Haskell? If you wanted to do that, you could just bring up GHCI. We went over this last stream. You just type type of maybe. Here's the type of maybe. That one matches that one. Click it. What monad is used in every Haskell program? That is the IO monad. What does this Haskell code return? You just copy and paste this and put it in Haskell. Wow, we got a lot of 1. We got a lot of people just said 1. What is the type of eval currently in the repo? You had to check the repo, and we're using parsec. And both that capital parsec and lowercase parsec were accepted as correct answers. 1, unfortunately, was not accepted as correct answer. Okay. Thank you all 109 people for taking my test. Let's create a spreadsheet here. Now, can we? Yeah, we can sort by score. Perfect. I've gotten better at Google Sheets. All right. So, wow, it turns out we have the same people. All right. So we're going to give all of the people who got perfect scores VIP. Mayfield 4, congratulations, you got double VIP. I don't know how to, there's no double VIP. Linear Pup, congratulations. You are now a VIP. Patrick Gecko, congratulations. You are now a VIP. And Lambda Man, who submitted twice, is disqualified for submitting twice. No, just kidding. You're cool. And Try to Lose, you are also a VIP. Will you unban? Okay. Congratulations. If you got a 14, you get a special shout out. Bob Saget's band. Okay, fine. You want to get on? You got a 14. I'll unban you. I'm glad you liked the test. Cool. So it turns out the 15 is actually from someone. All right. So people who, a special shout out to the 15s, and even a little shout out to the 13s. And no, we're not scrolling down to the zeros because people write inappropriate things in the Twitch username box. It's funny, nobody writes inappropriate things in the Twitch username box and then gets 16s. You are a VIP, Levant. Congratulations. That's what that little gem next to your name means. Not Bob Saget. I unbanned Bob Saget. Yes, you're fine. Can you get VIP? You got 14 and just typed IO stream instead of IO. I'm going to give you a special shout out for typing IO stream. But the rule was you had to get 16. Just checking your gem. No, the name of the monad is actually IO. And considering, these people all did get it. So special shout out. And there will be more tests. I guess casing cost you a shout out. Oreo, I don't even see you on here. Where's your band, though? Your band's right here. You really don't want to be banned. You didn't know there was going to be a test. Well, Want to do a grand VIP test sometime? No, we like tests. All right, the low scores, yeah, they're down here. The low scores are down here. A cutoff for people who shouldn't talk. Honestly, yeah. If you got less than 50%, 50% or less, these people, heavy question. Could you rant on ego death? Let's see. You didn't even take the test. Get a timeout. But you know what? I'm going to say there actually is a group of people who are worse than these people, and those are the people who didn't even try. I respect the people who tried, even if they got 4s and 5s. Cage Chaos, you're talking a big game. How'd you do on the test? 12. Okay. You got a C. You're scheduled for the test. You guys, I do this because it amuses me. No, I don't respect people who got a 3. No respect for people who got a 3. The 14s and the 13s get some respect. Maybe even the 12s. Parsec casing shouldn't matter. It doesn't. Your mom. You got it all right up until there, troll. You were so close. You got 13 out of 16 and I'm a sub. Can you get VIP? No, VIP is only for the people who did perfectly. And can we talk about how Mayfield the fourth managed to get VIP on both tests? So it's good to always see like the same people at the final table. Let you do the test. No, sorry. Yeah, the VIP icon does look nice. I know. All right, cool. Let's go back to coding. I'm gonna make my function run. So what's happening now is in this apply. Yeah, so we really, I mean, who remembers the type of maybe? It's coming in handy again. So here the problem is that this bool false is being run. We're going off the map here. Well, I don't think, does get var have to be in the IO monad? It shouldn't, because it doesn't modify anything, right? Let's look at the type of read IORef. Variable not in scope. Import data IORef. It's in the IO monad. The answer to the dog's question was 10. So, yeah. Did they modify apply? Yeah, they added IO. They added an IO type signature. I guess if I just remove that, because it's the only place I use it, and I change this to IO list val, and I put a return here. Does that work? Okay, so the problem now, that bool false is coming from right here. Let's go back, look again at the maybe type. So this is the B. This is a function. I don't exactly understand. So it's doing a lookup in function. That lookup is what's returning maybe. Oh, so that's, okay, this is a function that transforms A into B. I need that. That's easier to read. Okay, let's try another function. Exec. Like it definitely is an atom. It's not looking that up. But I guess I do kind of want it to look it up. It's always going to be an atom, but I could look it up through this lookup func primitive somewhere else. Or are they just adding all the primitive? We could also add the primitive functions. Since we're now storing primitives, yeah, look at this. So we're now storing primitives as regular values and variables. We have to bind them when the program starts up. So like that's how they're choosing to do it. Instead of doing this lookup, because I guess in Lisp, can you redefine a primitive? Maybe you can. These things are just functions. So we need to bind them here. And then we can just do instead of doing this, when you eval a list, we can do a get var on func. But we're going to have to bind the primitive function. We're going to have to put the primitive functions into the IO monad, into the env. I will watch the past lessons and get a perfect score. Bob Saget, you're close to getting banned again. Don't discuss getting around bans. Bro, come on. Congratulations, you're banned again. Don't bro come on me. He's banned again, yeah. Bob Saget, here's my advice to you. Go start your own channel, and you can be as tyrannical as I am. Free Bob, the people are protesting. There's an uprising. What gets you negative points? We got created a VPN and scored all the tests. Justice for Bob. Not the hero. I'm glad you guys are making me laugh. Bob, here he comes. He always finds a way to come back. You sent me some DM. Anyone who DMs me because they're upset they were banned, like you think I'm gonna like unban you? No. I just know I made the right choice. Yeah, it's funny. It's funny. Yeah, we're having a good time. We're having a good time. You know, I'm feeling my tea. It's my 12th stream, so now I'm legitimate to be a Twitch partner. You got to stream 12 times in 30 days. The band people are gonna stage a coup, man. I'm deeply worried about that. I'm so insecure in my power. They're gonna. That's kind of the beauty of. See, you know. There's a great Slate Star Codex seeing like a state. This is a great post, right? You do not want your city to start looking like this. You want to keep your city looking like this, because when the state comes in and wants to tax you, it's very easy if you all live in little boxes made of ticky-tacky on a grid. But if you live in a place like this, the state can't make sense of you. And that's how you avoid being overthrown, right? Evenly spaced rectangular grids are terrible places to live, yet city planners seem to love them. Look at this. Look, you could live in a prison. It's a good post. Definitely worth reading. I should read the book, though, that he reviews. What's bind vars? So then everywhere I was doing null-env, I'll just switch that up with primitive bindings. Should be right. Bind vars, I don't know. I guess I don't have that. It's defined right there. That seems sensible. Does bind vars just call bind vars here? Oh, here we go. Bind a whole bunch of variables at once. It's got all sorts of lift envs again. Okay, let's write something more reasonable here. Well, what if I do like a map m define define var. I don't think I need to flip anything. I do need to expand because they're tuples. Okay, map m. Let's try this. Well, do env equals null env. Wait, really though? How can I can't just fix this. Like this breaks the whole, Levant 47, this breaks the whole show? Because it's a function and not for one constructor. In order to make deriving work, you have to remove Lisp val, huh? But I need that constructor. Oh, this is so sad. How can I cheat this? Look up recursive types and deriving. Oh, if you enable the flexible instances languages instruction. Okay, that is what it was asking me about. Did you take the test, by the way? You didn't take the test. You just joined. Well, I believe in you to do very well on a test shortly. Yeah, okay. So we'll have to define the flexible instances language extension. How do I enable this? It's like X flexible instances. Woohoo! Yay, it works. Cool. Oh, even better. I like that better. I like that better. We don't have to edit this. Oh, let's just add to the README a little bit. So flexible. Fargio Farmani, you're forgetting that the reason that I stream is for me and not for you. So you can watch it on Twitch and you can hear the music, or you can watch the muted inferior version on YouTube. Yeah, we should write tests. I think that's a good point. Then we can do some test-driven development. Oh, I like that. All right. We can do some test-driven development. Let's do it. Mayfield, what should I use? What's good for like a test framework? H-spec? You like this? Oh, I'm probably gonna have to like bring it out into a ooh, run Haskell? Do I have run Haskell? I'm gonna have to like factor this out a little bit. Wait, is this gonna work though? Because we don't have the IO monad. I don't like the environment is in the IO monad. describe tests do. It 2 plus 2 equals 4. I have to figure out how to get eval string in here. M equals primitive bindings, eval string m, our string is +2 equals number 4. Okay. Is that going to work by any run Haskell? Ooh, run Haskell. No, we're going to need to make like a module or something. Well, first we need test HSpec. Yeah, we definitely need that. Oops. Could not find module test HSpec, but I installed it. You asked to include executables, but there are no executables to install. I don't know why it didn't install. Oh, do I need to call it a module? Yeah, I think I need to call it a module or something. So we'll do like module test where. Oh, because I called it test maybe? Called spec? What? Then this shouldn't be, oh, maybe this is module main or something? No, but this, okay. I don't understand. I cabal installed HSpec. Could it be cabal installing into like the wrong place? I feel like I cabal installed other things and it worked fine. Lib. What? Okay, now it works. Whatever, I'll take it. Okay, well, I guess I can import main, can I? Import main? This is going to end badly. So remember the hidden package. Here's parsec hidden. Just like run Haskell main. Oh. Wait, now I can't even compile. I broke parsec? Oh, this isn't good. Rejecting goal. No. I should never have Cabal updated. I deeply regret that mistake. They use stack now. No, no. Rejecting process. Cabal uninstall process. No. Conflict GHC Cabal install process. Why is it trying to install GHC? Let's see if we, okay, we upgraded. Cabal install parsec. Come on. Huh. Lib parsec? That doesn't work. I'm not trying to downgrade. Well, I gotta use stack instead. Okay. Stack install parsec. Oh, this is a nightmare. No, this is like some sandbox crap. No, I dislike this. Why don't I just use a virtual env? Brew install Haskell stack. But this seems so just fixable. I can just fix this one conflict and then it'll all be good. Constraint from user target. Why is it trying to install GHC? I had to like get one GHC to work for GHC up to be happy. All right, this is kind of a nightmare. It's downloading a whole GHC. Stack control isn't going to help. Stack is more like local package management. I don't want to create a new stack product. I don't want to do that. That's a virtual env. Cabal manages global depths. Yeah, I know that. I did Cabal update. That was the mistake. That was the deep mistake. Never update. I'm not rebooting. Stack new whatever creates like 10 files. Great. See, I hate these things. They're so complicated. Cabal on update. That's what I think of you, Rainy Days 19. It helps to delete the whole directory. Okay, I like that move. Well, can I just delete this? Buy a new MacBook. Only if it has an ARM processor. Oh. Well, it should have had a flag. Oh no, this created new full files. Not spec. Not one I like. Oh no, I did not mean to do that. Um, 27 months, Nano Danger 7. You're cool. Oh, update. Oh. Now it seems like it's working. Okay. It's downloading a lot of crap. Let's go. I think you want to use should be. Well, I really don't like that I have to use the backtick. Could not match expected type IO string. Yeah, so, okay, the problem is this is returning an IO string, which I guess is kind of right. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. That'll lift it out of the monad, and then... Yeah, okay, so that's a different problem. Oh, can I do hiding main? That should work, right? Oh, oops. Perfect. Cool, 2 plus 2 equals 4. All right, we're making progress. Let's make sure 2 plus 3 is not 4. Yeah, good, good, good. Can I do equals equals, or do I have to do should be? No, I can't. I have to do should be. I can just do should. I can put should be here, right? I don't have to do those egregious backticks. Yeah, now we're talking. All right, cool. We got a testing REPL. Testing, boys. Testing. Let's copy some tests from here. Probably be able to avoid that terrible copy paste. Nice. Cool. We got tests, boys. Who's trying to test their luck? Oh, that just seems like someone's trying to get banned. Anyone who tests their luck is like, ban me. You ever come home and you see like, after your dog went through the trash and you come home and your dog like comes to the door and he looks sad? You're like, why are you so sad? And then you see he went through the trash and like, you know you're a bad dog. Like, I don't know what to tell you, man, Okay. So let's come to a test that doesn't work yet. And we're going to do some test-driven development, boys. Test-driven development. Wow, this is really nice. I wish there was some way. Is there some way in HSpec to like not have to type this thing twice? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, see, look, it failed. It's getting true now. Shouldn't get true. Yes, just define a function. What do you mean by that? Yeah, but it's not exactly what I want. Like, I could define a function that's this. I agree, but then how do I do this? Oh, maybe I could say, yeah. I just did commit and push. Maybe I could say like where scheme equals this, and then just do scheme in both places. I don't think so, because I think the where will only apply to the do block. It's not right. Test. Before hook? What's a before hook? Run a custom action with every spec item. Yeah, I could. It's still not exactly what I want. Writing specs. Describe and it. Context. It's just an alias for describe. Before flush DB. No, that's not what I want. I don't think there's a real way to do this. At least not anything easy. It's kind of fine. Like in reality, there's no reason that the test should be the same as yeah. But okay. So let's get Square to work. It got bool true. Why did it get bool true? Oh, because I returned bool true. If I put bool false here, this is gonna work? Yeah, cool. All right, so we gotta actually make it run the function now. King F66, I'm sorry. We do Haskell on this stream. This is a Haskell stream. By the way, can I just talk about how much I really like libraries? Like, how nice is it that there was just a testing library ready to go with all this? Functional programming is enjoyable. It's not practical, it's enjoyable. I find one of the things enjoyable about it is you can spam more and it works. You know? We got a lot of viewers. How many viewers we got? How are we doing on the viewers count? So that's still right. It's pretty good. Write libraries, not frameworks. Definitely true. Something like test helper func. Well, yeah, so I understand that I can do that, and those are fine for these. I mean, I guess, yeah. You know what? I should just write that. Yeah. Okay. Let's write a test helper function, and then this will be nice. Okay. Test. Yeah, we have a list experts. I think that's right. All right. Let's check your code. This is what I like to see when people write code. I've never used a for loop in Haskell before. Like that. Should be result expected. Yeah, that should just work, right? Now I can like replace this with like, we won't call it test helper func, we'll call it test. Oh, I need data foldable for for? Yeah, we can do that. Okay. So why is this experts here? I think we want to more say something like e:\expers this for e:\expers, like that. And then we're going to want to pass in just a list containing that and that. Yeah, we need data foldable. That should be E. Wait, what? No, that's... Oh. That's not really what I want, though. I mean, it should just be the last one. It can always be the last one in the list. Right, the first one on the list should define the name of the test, and the second one in the list should, that's gonna work, right? Failed. Expected that, but got that. Ah. Yeah. Let's see what we got here. Test helper func. Do env equals primitive bindings for init expr last exprs. What's a knit? Is this all of them except caused by a missing do? Prelude last empty list. Oh. I can say what? I can say first. Head. It's called head. Sweet. Nice job. Staff on. Thank you. I don't exactly understand this. Oh, this is a lambda expression. Oh, I get it. Cool. So now we should be able to replace all of these with the new style test framework. Oh, so much less code, so beautiful. Much beautiful. Could probably do without the lambda. Oh, yes, that's definitely true. I can. Cool. My daily schedule like? I time out people who ask questions. It's definitely in my schedule. Alright. So we're gonna have to... This looks so complicated. bind vars. Do I have a bind vars? I don't think I do. Oh, that's what the present means. It means you're a subgifter. I get it. Wow. Damn, okay, we should have made bind vars. Should have taken it more seriously when we didn't write bind vars. Okay. You have to bind the params to the vars. Bind vars env params. I need, like, does Haskell have zip? Yeah. Okay. So map m bind var m, we want to zip params with args. Now that that's done, we probably really want to make a copy of the environment before we do that. I'm not really sure how to do that. You can say return eval body. Oh, we actually want to bind them in the closure. Closure body, something like that. Cannot match type list val with char. Oh, body is a list? Why is it a list? Shouldn't be. I guess I can just do this if I want. Oh, I don't think we need return. It's just map, okay. Could not match type list val with char. Oh, the params are, yeah, the params are atoms. They actually really shouldn't be. Atom params. That seems right. Oh, and then I have to change the type of params over here to what it was in the other one. Okay. Non-exhaustive match in function eval. Probably when I call eval from apply. So my list body should just be this. Guess maybe I don't really understand why it's a list. It's probably a double list or something. Does that work? Sweet! To do y is body a list. Well, we can actually, let's just do the to do now. Don't really get it. Yeah, I guess there can be more stuff there. I think this is always right. Yeah, some to-dos get done. We'll do it once we run into an example that we can't do. Loving the TDD functions graph. Okay. Let's move on. Square now works. We should test things like double square. What if I do show X first? It's kind of nice. Ooh. Now this gets into like now we can use the sum squares building bar. Okay, cool. Yeah. I'm gonna have to write cond. Do we have cond and if in our scheme? Where did I not define them that I was supposed to? Evaluation part 2? Ah, conditionals. Oh, here, implement the cond statement. Well, let's get that implementation for the if statement and then test if. And then we'll test our ifs both ways. Undefined. Prelude undefined. Oh, we're getting an undefined. Oh, because ABS isn't defined. No, not ABS. I mean, if isn't defined. So we have to define if. It's a primitive. It's not even a primitive. It's weirder than that. They wrote it in. They wrote it in here. Oh my god, I hate. Who would ever use tabs? Case result of. Get it. Could write it with parentheses, or maybe you meant to enable block arguments. The case needs to be indented. It is indented. Oh no, there's the same indentation as results. Yeah. Okay. Evals have different number of parameters because we have an m, and we have to pass an m here as well. We might need a return. No, actually we probably don't. Cool. It does not work. Still undefined. This is just a simple if. If bool true 7 3. Actually, I don't need bool true. Can I just say true, right? Is that how true works in? There's no true. What is it like that? Like that. Oops. Okay, those work. We're getting an undefined somewhere else, though. Oh, can I not do that? Undefined. Oh, my defined doesn't work there. Oh, I wish we wrote some errors. Why are we testing stuff? Because we want to write good code. Let's go to run here. That works. Oh, -5 doesn't work. Yeah, okay. Oops, my bad. I made that up. You can't write -5, but you can do that. Sweet. We also want the one with cond to work, so we should implement cond. Oh, cond looks painful with like else. Wow, that's a big list. I don't have to use a for loop there. If none of them is true, the value of the cond is undefined. Do we have it undefined? I don't know. I'm pretty happy with this for now. We're going to probably need to deal with the lack of errors at some point. All right, that's today's stream. Quick Q&A. If anyone has anything that they want to say. Thank you. Errors are important. Please study for tests. There will be a pop quiz in the future. Just always be ready to be tested. I'm always ready to be tested. Honestly, if some guy came up to me in the street and was like, "Yo, George, here's an iPad. You got 10 minutes. Go." I'm ready to be tested. Thank you. Yeah, so that makes my 12th stream. What's your homework? Somebody implement cond. Somebody implement cond and do a pull request. Also, if somebody would clean up my README, I'd appreciate that too. Yeah, make the README less shit. Implement cond and write a test for cond in spec. Oh, my tests, they're so beautiful. Oh, I'm so happy with my tests. Yeah, I read up on how to do. I understand how it translates. Oh yeah, float operators. That would be a great pull request. Here, we'll add some to-dos. To do. And again, you know, if this is actual work for you, don't do it. But if it's fun, do it. Add float support. Add cond support. So we should be able to do up to. That'll get us the whole chapter 1. I don't know if we have support for and. Should be all of chapter 1 of that. So yeah, we should be able to do everything in chapter 1. After that's done, write tests. Clean up README. Who's been working? Who's Busy Beaver repo? Someone been working on it? You guys miss Busy Beaver? That's cute. Written in Rust. Oh, this is recent. Good. I'm glad to see people working on this. Busy Beaver is very fun to play with. OpenCog. Is that Ben Goertzel? Oh, I've looked at that. None of this shit makes any sense. Yeah, I've read. I've looked at this before. None of it makes any sense. Yeah, we do. I mean, these are noob streams, right? We do this book. Like this is like MIT's. I think they're like textbook that they do for freshman programming and stuff. Actually, I'm not 100% sure MIT still does Scheme. But oh wait, maybe we can't do all of chapter 2. Never mind, I lied. No, I lied about chapter 1. Just the exercises. I'll just say up to Can chat prepare tests? I guess, yeah. If somebody makes a test, if someone, are you saying you want to give me a test and you want me to do it on stream? Or are you saying you want to prepare the tests for the other future streams? Both would be acceptable. I guess. Thanks for watching. Everyone enjoy your Saturday. Go learn something. I gave you your homework. Go do pull requests on my Haskell scheme repo. Bye everybody.